Ijima lokujovela i-COVID-19 lithome ngezi-17 kuMrhayili. Imbalobalo ziveza ukuthi nakuphela inyanga kaRhoboyi besele bayi-12.1 million ebesele bajovile. Babalelwa enkulungwaneni ezimbili amakhulu akhombako namachumi akhombako abantu ongakhange ubaphathe kuhle umjovo ngaleso sikhathi. Kwabikwa nokuthi bamachumi amane nantandathu ababhubhileko abahlangana nabajovileko. Kusaphenywa-ke ukuthi abamachumi amane nantandathu bathethwe yini. Sekuqediwe ukuphenywa abamachumi amane. Nanyana kunentshijilo ezingaka ezivela malungana nemithelelo etshiwa mjovo ekhulunyiswa kule, izazi zithi akunamjovo osetjenziswa eSouth Africa pha obangela ukufa.
Now, just to further explain about the deaths following immunization. So the non-COVID related deaths have happened coincidentally after being vaccinated. So as you've seen, all this data are being considered before we come to a conclusion to say this was coincidental to vaccination or not. And there must be adequate evidence for that. If there's no adequate evidence, I'm going to go back, then you will see there's 6 cases which were unclassifiable due to inadequate information. So if we don't have sufficient scientific evidence, then the case would end up to be unclassifiable. So we can't say it was not the vaccine causing the event or it was something else causing the event.